Hello everyone, here's your tech informant. I'm going to show you how you can create an electronic signature with your smartphone that you can insert into an electronic form or document. For example, you have this document you want to sign electronically. Normally what you have to do is to print out the document, sign on it, and then scan it back into the computer in JPEG format or PDF format. You know, it's a lot of stress printing out and scanning in. And if you don't have a scanning machine, the only option you have is to go to a business center to do that. And by doing this, you are exposing your confidential documents to the public. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve this with your smartphone. And one advantage of this is that you do it once and then save it on your phone or computer for future uses. And some do ask, what is the difference between electronic signature and digital signature? Well, the difference is an electronic signature is an image of your signature, just like the one we're about to create. While digital signature, on the other hand, is an encrypted file that has invisible unique codes that make tampering and duplication practically impossible. So digital signature is on a whole new level, but notwithstanding, electronic signature is legally acceptable in most formal transactions. So right now, take your time to give this video a like and also share it with your friend. And if you are yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification so that you get more of this type of video in the future. The items you need to create an electronic signature are a plain sheet of paper, a pen for signing, your smartphone. Then you need to install a background eraser app on your phone. For this tutorial, I will be using an app called Background Eraser. You can download it from App Store or Play Store. Okay, here's the process. Place the paper on a flat surface. Get your best signature with the pen on it. In a well-lighted place, take a shot of the signature with your smartphone. Then on your smartphone, open the Background Eraser app. Load the signature into it. Then click Done. On the next page, click the auto icon and click on the background of the image. This will make the app to automatically erase the white background of the signature and make the background transparent. But if your signature is complex like the one I have here, you might need to do some extra work on it. Finally, click Done. This will save a copy of your signature in PNG format on your device. What this means is that the white background in the signature image will be removed. For example, this is the original signature on the document, and this is the final signature image edited with the Background Eraser app and saved in PNG format. As you can see, the PNG format looks original. With this, you can insert your electronic signature on any document or online form and it will look original. That's a simple process, and this will save you a lot of stress. And anytime you want to sign any document electronically, all you need to do is just bring out your signature image and then insert it into the document. As simple as that. You can also do same for your passport photograph by taking a good shot of it, crop it with the right dimension and save it for use on your phone or computer. If you know any other app that you can use to remove the background of an image apart from the one I've used in this tutorial, I would like you to share it with me in the comment section. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification so that you can receive more of this in the future. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.